guys are not scared.
Hey Slayers, Owen Oslaywe here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a beautiful guest, my sister Tracy, done up by yours truly. I'm so excited, oh my god. If you're a returning subscriber, wow. If you're a new viewer, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you being right here with me in this moment and hearing the words that I'm speaking right now. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the section down below, as well as give this video a like, a thumbs up. Do it. It will really help me out so much on this channel. Thank you so much for 300 subscribers, you guys. Like, literally. What are you signing with you? In today's video, I'm gonna be basically doing my sister's makeup, and we're just gonna be talking as brother and sister. We're gonna talk about moving to New York, just story times or whatever. We're literally just chatting, and I'm doing her makeup and getting her cute, and then yeah.
We'll be giving
you it.
very much that.
All of it. So if you want to know exactly how all of this beautifulness came to be today on my sister's face, all of this marvelous essence, you already know what to do. Cue my intro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh gosh. Yeah. Okay. We're about to Tina turn her into the best version of herself, or rather one of the best versions, because
I'm already in the best version of myself.
With my guidance, she's been able to really learn how to work the brushes, you know? So today is actually the anniversary of when basically our first day in New York. So we're just gonna talk about that and talk about our growth. I'm going in with, this is her foundation that she has, Il Makiage. She's one of the girls.
Il Makiage.
What is this? Okay, so it's not a drop foundation, but it has like a stick in it. I've personally never used Il Makiage, so product review.
I got it when I did when I was still modeling, when I did a product review with them. And they because
that was through your agent, wasn't it?
Then they gave me a discount code. It's called.
It's cool. That's good though.
They gave me a discount code, and
a little bit.
And you know, when I went on the internet to put it in, it was free. I didn't even have to pay taxes or shipping.
Okay, so I'm gonna swatch some Fenty Beauty on her. I'm just gonna put some on the brush.
What if it's too light?
No, I didn't. I was squeezing it like toothpaste.
Well, I was gonna say I don't. Oh Lord.
Definitely too light. We're just gonna mix it with some of the Il Makiage. Yeah, get into this. Il Makiage and Fenty Beauty mixed together. For concealer, I'm just taking this e.l.f. palette.
I got casted for this movie and I got the part to play a DEA officer. Is that what they're called? And then when I get on the set, I met this dope ass girl who is now my best friend, Anissa. I love you if you're watching this.
I hope she is.
And
good morning.
We've been best friends ever since, and she is just so amazing. We literally met on the set of that movie. You know, we just started talking and we just hit it off right off the bat. I'm letting the concealer just dry on her face a little bit, and then now I'm going in with my, so this is what we got in PR actually from Kiss Beauty or Kiss New York. This is the Joa Beauty. Oh gosh, she's here. So this is brow down to me from Joa Beauty. So it's product on one end, very much like the Benefit pencil, and then it is girl, you have to stop, and then it's us fully on one end. Okay, so I blended her brows off camera, and I drew in her brows off camera. Like I was saying, like pretty much like what she shared, it was pretty much like how it was with my friend Sandra. Like after we met, like, you know, we kind of just clicked. Hey guys, I'm gonna set you with some setting powder. So I normally use my banana powder from Fenty Beauty, but I also have this cashew powder. So I'm gonna use this one for her because it's slightly darker. A little darker than the others. So you said that you weren't so excited about moving here. So what would you say was like the, I guess, one thing that gave you hope in us moving here? Like the one thing that you were most hopeful for?
that, you know, made you excited about moving?
I guess because I was thinking about modeling. I was excited. I was gonna be able to start my modeling career. And I was happy about that. That made me feel like, you know, like in the movies when, you know, you live in Kansas or something like that.
Oh my gosh.
And you move to New York City.
Small town girl making it in the big world.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I'm going in my loose blending brush with the Morphe Holiday Ice Lake collection. And I'm gonna start with the shade, let me see, I'm gonna go into Amethyst first in the Huda Beauty palette. So let's put down that. So I'm dipping into Amethyst, which is this shade right here.
Beautiful, you know I bought these two for you.
She did! My sister did buy this palette.
Story time! When I moved to New York, like I said, I didn't have any friends. Very, very depressed. So what I do? I made a Tinder. And this guy hit me up. He's like, oh my gosh, you're so pretty. Da, da, da. Like, I want to talk and this and that and the third. So I was just like, hey.
Let's switch seats so that they can see what I'm blending. Hold on.
Oh, and he was on my body, bro. So I was like, okay, let me see. So went over there. I linked with him, and he was so weird, girls.
Look at our teeth.
So then, I just decided to go home because I was just a little scared, I guess.
Ooh,
so
look at the camera.
I decided to go home, and you know, he was just, so he texted me when I got home. He's like, oh, it was so nice to see you, and he wants to take me shopping for Christmas, and this and that and the third. I'm just like, girl, I'm down for shopping. What you mean? Yeah, so he wanted to take me Christmas shopping. So I went Christmas shopping. He took me to Victoria's Secret. Spent like $300 over there, and he didn't mind, girl. He was like, "Oh, get this, get this, get that." I was like, "Girl, okay."
And I need you to sit up.
Then we went to Sephora, and girl, I didn't need nothing from Sephora. I just wanted to get my brother something. And that's how that came about. Thank you, Cicely.
Okay guys, we're back. We are almost done with her face. Honestly, we're gonna be doing her lips and some highlight. Let me just conceal this forehead a tad bit more. Okay. Watch it. Girl, we're in the same boat.
So, you are looking at the face of Candy Cosmetics. So, this is the lip gloss and this is the lip liner here. So, her website hasn't launched yet, but we will be having a photo shoot very soon. You know, we're discussing, the ghettos are chatting. So I will be keeping you guys updated, but we will be using this on today's look.
Such a good
And I've used these before, and I can honestly say the texture is so, so nice. I also have her eyeliners. Of course, I'm the face of the brand, so she sends me a lot of the
Made in Germany, guys, so that's cute.
She's black owned. Let's start there.
This is black owned.
Black owned business.
How did we leave that out?
Black owned business.
Okay, I'm doing your makeup.
And then now we're going in with the gloss, and this is 504, and it's shade On Ice. It's such a natural moment, even though like it looks very bold. I think it also depends on how much exactly you put on.
And it depends on your skin tone too. You know, different lip glosses look different on different skin tones.
Look, catch her. I taught my daughter well.
Ooh.
Right? That's gonna look so nice with the outfit.
Okay, Candy.
Okay, so for highlight, like I said, you'll be fine. It's just setting spray.
On my body?
Setting spray to settle her down. Now that was iconic. Oh God. Oh. Do you?
Ice. Competition. Competition.
Okay. Okay guys, so we literally have finished the look. She is going to put her hair on and put her gown on, and we're gonna be right back. Okay, Slayerz, so this is the completed look on my beautiful sister. I'm so excited literally to take pictures of her. The dress, like you guys are kind of getting a sneak peek of it. You're gonna see a lot more of it on Instagram, on both of ours. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed meeting my sister. Again, thank you so much for 300 subscribers. I think we're like at 301 now. I am so excited. We are growing rather quickly.
Tremendously.
Thank you. Rather quickly. We're doing the thing. You guys, you know.
Let us know if you want another video.
Yeah, there definitely will be more. Let us know exactly like what you want us to talk about. Like,
even if you want to ask us questions. Not that I like questions, but I will answer.
If you guys enjoyed this video today, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up in the section down below. Also, don't forget to share with anywhere from 1 to 5 people or however you deem necessary. If you want to do 1,000 or more, by all means.
Share. Don't be scared.
What she said. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you guys really enjoyed this content today. If you're a new viewer, definitely hit that subscribe button in the section below. And come back for more. There'll be definitely more of her. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. I'll see you in the next one. And until then, remember to slay always.
And always, honey.